Oh, give him some more slack.
What is up, guys? We're back with another video. Hope you guys are doing well. Today we have no real plan. We've got two hurricanes pushing in. There's a huge front coming behind us, so today we're out on the reservoir trying to catch some early morning bass on top water, and then we're probably gonna switch up and go chase crappie with live scope, see if we can't single pole a few crappie. We're gonna see how today goes. We got a lot of weather coming in a few hours, so we got a lot to do in a few hours. But you guys are riding with us. Stick around and I hope you enjoy it. I'm gonna start with this 6 cents frog. Let's see what it does for me. We're in a ton of lily pads out here. Oh, I mean, as soon as it hit the... What kind of water's going on with this reel, dude? I think my drag was too loose when I set the hook. Oh, damn. That one just hit it just sitting there.
Camouflage. Dude, he's thick to be small.
God. All right, reel's starting to piss me off again. I told you.
Fixing to catch it.
They don't bite this time of year. All right, guys, I think we're fixing to make a transition here. Mike's getting a few last casts in. Top water action was pretty much on fire this morning, and then we left fish to go find fish. Our age-old mistake, huh, Mike?
Yep, always happens like that.
Always happens. Mike caught one little one. I missed more than I should have. And something happened with the GoPro. I don't know if I got any of that. I think we're gonna go scan some deeper water and look for crappie, because the conditions are just too good right now to pass up, and the crappie report's been pretty good here lately. So we're gonna go try that and see if we can get on some fish, because this morning's not really going our way. I don't know what we just hooked up on an 8-foot pole, 6-pound test, but it is a toad, whatever it is. That's gotta be a catfish. Okay.
Oh, give him some more slack. Gotta keep us off that.
What did I jump?
Could be a striped bass. See if I can find it on the live scope. Oh yeah, I do see it. It's big.
I thought I was hung. Oh, dude, my heart is pumping right now. I might need to get the net too. Grab the net. Grab the net. Oh, big flathead. Damn flathead. Yeah, grab the net.
Where's the net box?
Back. Under the seat.
Uh-huh.
So he ain't big, buddy.
Big enough for a rod and reel setup like that?
Yeah.
I just hook the camera up and got the boat rolled. How do you work this thing? Like that?
Yeah. Let's fucking go, baby. Let's go! Oh, we worked so hard for this fish. Oh. I've never been so happy to catch a catfish in my life, y'all. Oh man. 6-pound test on a 10-foot crappie pole. And we gonna catch a damn flathead catfish. You guys don't know how long we've been out here. Ain't had a bite in hours. I'm so happy to have this fish, dude. Oh man. Let's go.
I guess it's time to pick the GoPro back up. We finally found some fish. That little sucker got some bite to it. I think Mike just caught a little hybrid largemouth striped bass. We've never seen one. Look at his top lip and then these lateral lines, and then his dorsal fin looks a little funny. If you guys have ever seen anything like this, drop a comment, because I've never in my life seen a bass quite like that. It's got way sharper teeth than a normal largemouth does. They don't have lines like that.
Alright guys, we're back off the water. Today was probably one of the weirdest, funnest, boringest days of fishing I've ever had. We went out with no plan, not knowing what to expect. And it turned out pretty cool. I hope I got enough footage on the GoPro. Something about the Mississippi heat and that GoPro just do not match. It started off the morning with frying an SD card on 5-minute loops. It was recording an hour, so I was having to go back and delete hours worth of just random footage every time I hit the button. So I don't know how many clips I actually got off the GoPro, but nonetheless, we had a good time. I did not expect to catch a flathead on, I mean, just the tiniest little jig. Targeting crappie. The crappie skunked us today. I don't know what their deal was. I've never gone out and not caught a crappie, but today, of course, when I have a camera with me, it's one of those things. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you are enjoying this content, please like and subscribe. It does help. Lets me know that I'm doing a good job. And if you have any suggestions for future videos, drop them down in the comments below. I do just about every kind of freshwater fishing you can think of. If you guys have any suggestions, please let me know, because coming up with ideas every weekend is, I try to be as creative as I can, but not everybody wants me to go out and see, or wants me to go out and catch crappie or bass or whatever. So if you can think of anything, let me know. That'd be awesome. But until then, guys, I'll catch you guys next week. Get out there, catch a few fish, and we'll see you next time.